Hello guys, good morning, God bless you. Welcome to my YouTube channel, God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube. This is the part of Bacolod City, Negros where we have any kind of trees. This is the Kamunsel. Together with the big plant of Mingus. You can look guys. And all nation, God bless you and good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Their portion is here in Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. There are so many trees and fruits there, portion of Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. Where there are some fruits and you can look and watch my any kind of fruits there in Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. This is the big plant of Mingus. Because the Bacolod City there are so many plant of Mingus, the old plant of Mingus, and every season of Mingus we can produce the so many fruits. There are so many plants of trees there in Bacolod City. Another portion of another plant of strawberries. There are so many fruits here in branches. The full of fruits. You can look on how to comment the very delicious strawberries there in Bacolod City. The contribution there, the small branch of strawberry who had carry any fruits. You can look guys, we have a black color fruits, light green fruits, red fruits. Pag hindi pa ito hinog, mayroong kulay ang kanyang bunga na light pink and light red and black. There are 4 colors the fruits of strawberries. And if you eat the strawberries, you can feel it is full of delicious, full of sweet. And if you make it a juice, no adding a sugar, because the fruit strawberry is full of sweetened now. So there's so difference from the compared to the others fruits. The strawberry is full of sweetened, no adding sugar to make juice. The small plant of strawberries but carry with so many fruits there in branches. You can look on how to comment the small plant of strawberries pulling of fruits, and so very beautiful. Or you can looking the any kind of branch of strawberry. We have to carry fruits. to hadlock die and how to observe. There are so many fruits. Earning black, light pink, light red, and light green. The small plant of strawberries also many fruits. It's of branches.